Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. We live in the country with well water and our water is subpar. So this water filtration system has been amazing. I want to tell you all about it. I sincerely love this water filtration pitcher from Waterdrop. It eases my mind with the well water that we have in the country. One of the things that I really like about it is that it tells you when the filter is dirty. Blue means that it's good to go. Red means that it's time to change it. And I've had that filter in for about a month now and it hasn't changed. It's very easy to use. It fits very nicely in my refrigerator. You just fill the top up with water. It has a reservoir and all the water filters through the little filtration system and into the bottom where it's drinkable. I love the simplicity of how easy this is to use. That filter comes in and out with ease, and it has a reservoir there for the water to go through. The lid comes on and off very easily, and one of the things that I really like about it is that you can have the reservoir still filtering the water and be able to pour what's in the pitcher part of it. So that's the filter, very easy to put in and out. And then you put the reservoir back on and the lid back on and everything works just wonderful. It's very durable. The handle is very sturdy, but it's still kind of lightweight, so you're not hurting your wrist while you're using it. So look how clean and fresh this water is. It's gorgeous. It tastes so good, and it really just gives you the peace of mind, especially in the country. You don't know what you're getting with well water, and with this, you know that it's clean and tasty. So this water pitcher has been aces in my book. It's got my family drinking more water, and nothing is wrong with that. But that's just my point of view.